I don't think there's anybody on the bottom.
Somebody's over there. Garrett? Here comes Garrett.
Nobody else is coming up. I'll throw 145 for you.
Dog's coming up.
Yeah, but he's going to have to.
What I'll do is pass around. If you can, I can come in the yard and pass around and let you come out.
Yeah, sure. I'll just get it back in 151. You want me to do it?
Yeah, please.
Okay, you clear it back up.
Yeah, when I clear by you, I'll speed it up and get on through here.
Okay, so you're staying on
I could switch across.
Get an eyeball and a
You
marker.
could switch me on that one, and then you could come once I pass you. Yeah, that'd be good. I'll just come around. And good, I'll get your train coming around. I'm sorry.
That's what
After
you're going to me.
you want to hook it, clear the stop at 145.
I was going to pull in the yard.